Welcome back. The procedural formalities to shift major 5 schools from Panji to Kujira complex at Bamboli will complete soon. Education Minister Manohar Parrikar says the project, once completed, will decongest traffic in the capital. Parrikar also made it clear that henceforth aided schools will not have to ask for a separate NOC to fill the post of a teacher if the required process is completed by the school within 2 to 3 months prior.
Education Minister Manohar Parrikar has assured the state support to the schools for compliance of Right to Education Act, as the schools need to expand and upgrade the infrastructure. He was speaking at the Platinum Jubilee function of People's High School.
आर्टीक लागणारे कॉम्प्लायंट ज्यो कितें गजाली आसा ताज्या खातीर ते इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर उबें करपाचें आसा ताका सपोर्ट म्हणून आमी ती कुजिरा कॉम्प्लेक्स ह्या म्हयन्यांत ताजें सगळें प्रोसेस कंप्लीट करून थंय शाळा बांदून थोड्यो शाळा थंय शिफ्ट जावच्यो पण मॅनेजमेंटान मात्र मागीर आशिल्ली बिल्डींग कमर्शियल युजाक वापरची न्ही आनी जे ट्रॅफिक कंजेशनाचो प्रॉब्लेम आसा तो तशेंच दवरची न्ही.
He said that the problem of NOCs for teachers recruitment will be solved if the school have block NOCs for 10 years.
We get 10 years block NOCs. You don't have to go to the education department to recruit a teacher. You can do it 3 months in advance before a teacher is retired and only follow the procedure.
Making it clear that the economic impact of mining will not affect the education sector, he said government would curtail wasteful expenditure to compensate the mining revenue loss.
Economic impact थोडोसो आसता पण ताजो परिणाम एज्युकेशनाचेर मातूय जावचो ना. पिड्ड्यार जाणारो सरकाराचो खर्च हांव एस्टिमेट करतालो almost 25 to 30% of the government expenditure is a wastage. तातूंत भितर अर्धे सुद्दां आमी सारवार केले जाल्यार मायनी पासून येणारो रेवेन्यू आमी कॉम्पेन्सेट करूंक शकता. कोण त्या पळय चिंता करपाक आय एम ऑलरेडी ऑन द जॉब ऑफ रिड्युसिंग अनवॉन्टेड एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट वीच वॉज वेस्टेड ऑर गोईंग इन टू द करप्ट प्रॅक्टीस. तातूंतल्यानूच थोडेशे टायटन केले जाल्यार तितले पयशे येवंक शकता. इतलेंच सांगता.
Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Prudent has been exposing PWD's mismanaged affairs and storeroom thefts in Sada Wasco. Story isn't over with road roller, road breaker and water meters. Now the PWD water tankers too are getting rusted, lying unused. Same is the case with precast cement pipes. It's a clear, negligent and lethargic act by the custodians of public property. Surendra Madkekar reports.
These are the water tankers of the PWD. They are not being used from past many months. These tankers are now getting rusted. The PWD officials have, however, turned a blind eye to this public property. The pipes in the storeroom too are not used since procurement. Prudent is exposing since past week the theft in this PWD storeroom. There was a theft of a road breaker, water meters and pipes are missing. Some pipes are lying rusted without any usage. Road roller lying unused, dumped at Sada. Sources in PWD suspected that the theft have been committed by the PWD employees. There is no security guard for the storeroom and the junior engineer looks after the storeroom.
Sada PWDच्या स्टोर रूमाकडे स्टोर थंयसर PWDचो सगळो जो माल आसता तो हाडून हांगसर दवरलेलो आसता. कितलींशींच वर्सां पयलीं हे सरकारान सिमेंटाची पायपां घेतलेली जी साळावलेच्यान वास्कोक कनेक्ट करता ताका लागून. पूण ही अशी उक्त्यार वतान दवरल्या कारणान हे पायपांचो खरोच उपयोग जातलो काय कितें काय ही पायपां अशीच सडून वयतली. कितलेशेच वर्सां पयलीं घेतलेले ट्रकूय PWDचे जवळ जवळ 5 टाकयो थंयसर ट्रकांच्यो दवरलेल्यो आसा आनी त्यो जंगून गेल्ल्यो आसा. त्यो स्क्रॅपूय करूंक ना. PWD असोच हो लोकांचो पयसो वाया उडयतले काय कितें. ही पायपां अशी बरे भाशेन दवरुपाक जाय आसली ती दवरिनासतना वताक हांगसर दवरल्या कारणान ह्या सिमेंटाची झीज जातली आनी पायपाचे जे स्ट्रेंथनेस आसा ते कमी जातले. वास्कोच्यान प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकयकर.
Goa Motorcycle Taxi Riders Association celebrated its anniversary on Saturday. Editor of Prudent, Pramod Acharya, suggested the taxi association to have a hotline number so they can reach during emergency times. He said that faith is the most important aspect in any delivery of any service.
गजाली सगळे हायटेक जायत चल्ल्या आणि व्यवसायिक असोसिएशन जाला खंय तरी एक संघटितपणा येवपाक लागला. अशें हातूंत भितर जर गोंयभरच्या पायलटा खातीर गोंयभरच्या सगळ्या खातीर जर तुमी एक जर हॉटलायन सुरू करपाक शकले, हांव हॉटलायन इतल्या खातीर म्हणटा की समजा हांव फाल्यां खंय मोटरसायकलीन वता आनी वाटेर जर म्हजी मोटरसायकल बंद पडली जाल्यार म्हजे कडेन जर ती हॉटलायन आसत जाल्यार हांव त्या हॉटलायनीचेर फोन करतलो. तुमच्या हॉटलायनीचो मनीस त्या एरिये भितर लागीं तुमचो जो मनीस आसा ताजे कडेन कॉर्डिनेट करतलो आनी तो मनीस ज्या जाग्यार म्हजी मोटरसायकल बंद पडल्या आनी हांव उडकून पडलां त्या जाग्यार येवन जर तो म्हाका त्या टायमार पावलो ताज्या की व्हडल्या आनंदाची गजाल म्हजे खातीर खंयचीच आसची ना. आनी ती गजाल तेन्नाच जावपाक शकता जेन्ना अशी एक डेडिकेटेड हॉटलायन आसतली जी गोंयांतल्यान खंयच्यानूय फोन करात त्या सेंटराकडल्यान खंयच्यान मागीर मुखार सगळें कम्युनिकेट जातलें.
Director of Transport Arun Desai also appreciated the taxi drivers and pilots for their commendable services.
म्हाका सांगात दिसता तुमची ही जी वागणूक आसा शिस्तप्रिय वागणूक हांव म्हणत रोड सेफ्टी वागणूक हांव ताका म्हणत ही तुमी अशीच चालू दवरून लोकांक एक देख दियात. कित्याक पोरू वर्सा 98 लोक टू व्हिलराच्या एक्सिडेंटान मेल्या आनी 134 आनी 98 जे पॅडेस्ट्रियन मेल्ले आसा तातूंत भितरूय भितर सादारण 45 लोक हे मोटरसायकलीच्या एक्सिडेंटान गेल्ले आसा. आनी ताका लागून तुमची जी ही शिस्त आसा हिका खूब म्हत्व आसा.
There are around 1,800 taxi pilots in Goa. Desai said he never had any complaints of the taxi pilots in his tenure. Shishant Paul for Prudent. Now look at the other happenings around the state.
St. Xavier's College had its Golden Jubilee celebration. On the occasion, the students from the stream of Arts, Commerce and Science exhibited various activities and projects.
जे कितें तुमी बुकांनी शिकता ते बुकानूच उरोंक फावना तकलेनूच उरोंक फावना तें वेव्हारान घालूंक जाय. ती ओळख दुसऱ्याक दिवंक जाय, कितें प्रोजेक्ट करूंक जाय, दुसरो कसलोय अनुभव येता पळय तो स्कील तुमी एक्वायर करून ती मागीर वापरूंक जाय आनी तुमचो फुडार जावंक जाय बरो.
People's High School celebrated its Platinum Jubilee year. 75 years of school establishment were glorified. The school management and the students organized a 2-day program. A grand fete was held by the students wherein painting exhibition and various activities were displayed at the fete.
I would in this regard like to emphasize that the reputation and credibility of any educational institution lies not on the size of its infrastructure, but more critically on its contribution towards the production of talented and quality citizens who contribute to the betterment of society.
Bureau Report Prudent.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.